perform. Give him a big round of applause.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Emil Hevent. I am studying 5th standard in Neethram Public School. Today I will tell about health food. Friends, eating healthy is like fueling a high performance mission our bodies whole. Grains, fruits, veggies, nuts, lead proteins are like a superpower for our health. They boost energy, sharpen our minds and keep diseases at bay. Let's choose wisely. Vitamin food sources. Vitamin A, carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, mangoes. Vitamin B, complex got many sources. Vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, B12. Grains, nuts, milk, eggs, green leafy vegetable, banana, meat, cereals. Vitamin C, orange, lemon, strawberry. Vitamin D, sunlight. Vitamin E, nuts, seeds, spinach, broccoli. Vitamin K, leafy greens, broccoli. All of you thanks.